Okay, this is a part 2 update for July 11th, 2017, and we're looking at tropical disturbance 96E down off of the west side of Mexico, and we can see that a big hole is being blown into the north side of this storm to try to weaken it. It does have a 80% or 70% chance of hurricane formation in 2 days. Let's look at the National Hurricane Center map. We can see that this thing has a red X now, as of about 3 hours ago. 70% chance of a hurricane formation. And of course, Eugene has been completely wiped out with microwave energy. Let's take a look now at the satellite map, the visible loop for 96E, and we can see some very interesting detail. I'm going to go ahead and stop this and just scroll through. We can actually see where the transmitter, microwave transmitter, is hitting right here, there, and there. Now watch what happens in the next frames, how those craters expand outward as the superheating process unfolds. Balancing this camera here, it's kind of shaking a little bit. Hang on a second. And note the blast pattern out of the west side right here. And then the loop repeats. We've got clockwise rotation on the east side of that storm. Let's run the loop. You can see where they blasted that storm at the top here. And we've got clockwise rotation over here as this hurricane is trying to, or rather this tropical depression is trying to form into a hurricane. Now these terrorists that are controlling our weather can blow this storm apart, completely wipe it out at any time by applying the proper amount of power, sufficient amount of power to wipe it out. But they're allowing it to spool up for whatever reasons. They could be putting on a show. Look it up here, right here. Look at this big blast wave, this shock wave right here. We've got something developing. Look at that giant ring right up here. Right there. So other areas around this storm are also being targeted. Okay, that's it. We'll do another update later on, and we'll leave it right here. You see where that transmitter hit earlier today. Okay, that's it.